Welcome to Technical Drawing. Today we'll see this sum in isometric. So first we have to draw a layout. So for layout, first we will draw a horizontal line and vertical line. Then we'll draw 30-30 degree on both the sides. Then if you see, this is 20. Height is 50 and width is 15. So I'll mark 20 on right side, 15 on left side, and height 50. After that we'll draw a parallel line like this. Now we need to draw this C shape, right? So how much is this? 10 from here and 10 from bottom. Then you draw line inside. How much it will go inside? 10. Total is 20 and the width is 10. So I have to go 10 inside. From here you go up. Again you draw a line like this. So this is what you will get. So after drawing this front view as it is, we have to take all the points behind by how much? 15. So take all the points behind by 15. Then you draw a line like this. So this is how you'll get the box. The top portion, now this you extend, that will be 10, and from here also you extend. So this is what you'll get. Then draw a vertical line from here. So you'll get this isometric. So I hope you people have understood this. Thank you.